If you run TikTok, Instagram, or Google Ads, you'll understand how painful payment decline and billing problems can be. Today, I want to introduce you guys to a very reliable solution, Spend.net. This is a platform that gives you a virtual dollar card that is built specifically for payment of ads online. In this video, I will show you how to get it and I will introduce you to why it's the best payment option for ad payment without any headache or stress. If you're new here, my name is Gerald and I make easy for this area. So I advise you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, hit that like button, and also drop a comment in the comment section below to help push this channel into further height. All right, so without wasting much time, let us get down to business. This is a financial platform. Spend.net is a financial platform that gives you cash back when you use their dollar card to make transactions. Isn't that amazing? You spend and you also pay. Unlike other platforms that you only spend and they also take charges and all of these stuff. On Spend.net, you don't have to do all of that. As long as you're making transactions that are giving you cash back, which is like super amazing. It's like you're spending and you're earning at the same time. Makes a lot of sense to me. These advertising cards are accepted on all platforms, including TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, any platform that you can think of. These cards are accepted on it automatically. You don't have to face any decline problem. You don't have to face any billing problem. It's straightforward. As soon as you make use of the card, they are going to accept it automatically. And one of the sweetest thing about this is actually the cashback. I keep talking about this because it's like one of the best features of this card. You spend and you get 2% cash back on every amount that you spend. And you see, that's like one of the best feature about this app. The fact that you can spend and also earn on it. All cards on this platform have an automatic 2% cash back as soon as you make use of them. If you're making payments of it, you get automatic cash back of 2%, which sounds super amazing. So let us move on to other features that this card has. These payment cards provide you with all of the full details that you need that a virtual Mastercard has. All right, we're talking about expiring dates, card number, and the CVV that's on the card. It comes like in the full package, and it's a Mastercard. That's one of the best things. So you have full guarantee that it's not going to decline. It's going to accept any payment worldwide. Be it you are living in Nigeria, you're living in Europe, Africa, Asia, wherever you are in the world, these cards are going to be accepted automatically or whatever ad payments you're trying to make. So let's talk about the security feature, because security is very important, right? So all cards on this platform support a 3D secure protection. What does this mean? That 3D secure protection helps pass anti-fraud and AWS checks and improves acceptance rates on ad platforms. Let's talk about the acceptance rate. These cards operate on Visa and Master network and are acceptable across major ad platforms, including Facebook, Instagram ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads. I think I mentioned this earlier before, but I need to stress on it for you guys to understand that if you're running ads on across this platform, then this is the best cards that you should be using. No decline, no billing problem. You're good to go. As soon as you get the card, you're good to go, and you can start paying for your ads without any headache at all. Especially this December, people that are planning to run their businesses this December, this is an opportunity for you to get a card that will never decline. All right, you don't have any billing problem. You run your ads on the go and you're ready to make payments and go. And I know the sweetest thing, I keep mentioning this, one of the best features is that you get a cashback of 2% of whatever you're spending. So you're spending and you're also earning from this. So you're not losing. And let me mention this here. And unlike other apps that issue you cards, these phones, they don't even charge you any money to give you your card. They give you the card for free. I know other platforms like charge you as high as $5 to $10 to give you card, but this they give you your card for free. All right. And other platforms that when you declines, they'll still charge you. This you're not going to decline, you're not going to get any decline. And after making this payment, you're still going to get your 2% charge back. That's like the best thing out here. So let's talk about the BIN selection. Spend.net lets you choose cards with suitable BINs. They carefully select BINs to minimize the risk of decline. There are 20 BINs available, including 6 unique BINs specifically for advertising payments. That's why you see little or no decline when you're making ad payments on any of these platforms. Let's talk about the card issuance again. Like I told you earlier, you don't have to pay any fee to get this card, and there's no limit to the amount of cards that you can get. If you want to get as high as 10 card, 20 card, you can also create them, and nobody's charging you to create these cards. It's all free. There's no limit to it. It's all free. And the sweet thing is that I'm still going to mention this. You get your 2% cash back on any payment that you make. Super amazing, to be honest. So you don't have to pay for any card. All card issuance are free, and there's no limit to the number of cards that you want to create. If you want to create as high 100 cards, Spend.net got you. So let's talk about the top of options. So Spend.net gives you option to fund your card with USDT. You can either fund it USDT or BTC. Very easy, straight to the point. You don't need to wait any time. You just buy your BTC or buy a USDT or get it from a reliable source. Then you're going to use it to fund your card. As soon as you make that payment, you are good to go. I can start making payments and get your cards and making payments on any platform that you want. It's very straightforward, very easy. Crypto payments, like one of the best acceptable payments like in the whole world. So everyone uses it. So it's very straight to the point. So I've mentioned about these fees before, but I would like to talk a little about it again. So Spend.net has like very low cost. They have 0% for transactions, 0% for decline, 0% for currency exchange, 0% for card amount withdrawals, 0% for refunds, 0% for account top-ups of $50 or more. Though they have like a small service fee for top-ups below $15. So if you're paying really if you're trying to top up your balance with less than $50, there's like a small fee that is going to be added to it. Nothing too stress. It's very small. You wouldn't even notice that. You wouldn't even notice that there is a fee attached to it. Very, very small. So let's talk about another feature. Team tools and reporting. If you run ads with the team, their personal accounts includes team management, tax assignment, and role distribution. You also get budget analytics and downloadable financial report in SCVs, and XLS formats. Cashback Cashback in is displayed in real time. Let's talk about another feature which is really amazing. Let's talk about the support and UX feature. Registration is super fast. You can sign up with your Google or any email and password, complete basic KYCs, and you can create cards on your dashboard with one click. Their support is like super amazing. They have this 247 support via live chat in your personal account. So whenever you're having any problem, there's like live chat there. You can just click on it and you can chat with us. Customer support, they are always available 247. They are never off. They have like 99.9% uptime. So you have no issue to worry about if they're online or not. All right. Their customer service are super fast and super reliable. I'm going to leave the link to Spend.net in the comment section below. I'm going to pin the link in the comment section below. I'm also going to leave in the description below. All right. So all you have to do is just to click on this and then start creating cards. You have no issue with this. You're going to enjoy these cards, and this is like the best. I'm recommending from someone who has been making a lot of ad payments online. I'm recommending this 100%. So you have no issue. You're going to enjoy this 100%. So that's that on Spend.net. If you have any questions or you're confused or you need me to throw more light on any of this, just drop it in. Just tell me in the comment section below and I'll answer it to the best of my abilities. If you haven't done that yet, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. Like this video and share it with someone who also needs a virtual card to run app payment online. All right, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.